Okay, as you can see, I have my Maschine Studio software running on my computer, on my monitor here. Sound is coming out of it. I am going to turn on my Maschine Studio controller, which right here, and it is on. Nothing comes on. As you can see real close, you may see a little bit of a glow right there, a slight reddish showing up on the pads, but that's all I get out of it. Nothing here, nothing anywhere. It's just completely dead. It is not coming on. This right here, it is plugged in, and as you can see, I got it plugged in right here, and it leads to back there where that red light is on, right back there. So it has power, and I've used it this way since I've had this, so that connection is a solid connection for electricity. I also have the USB connected to the computer right there. It is plugged in. I have swapped out and used another USB connector, and still I don't get anything from my controller. I'm using the Focusrite Scarlett interface, which is also connected to my computer via USB, and as you can see, it's connected into the back here, right there, and so we're connected. I got my monitor cables in there, and as you can see, sound, software not working. So this is Stan. Hope I've showed you enough. Really would like to get this back up and running, so let me know. Thanks for letting me show you this.